Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
Jumbo. Hey, man. Hey. What up, gang? What's going on with you, man? Want to take a picture with him? Hey. Mambo. What's up? Come on, man. Look.
Hey, look at me. Yeah.
Wait, Mama, Nadia, hurry up. We finish. Hurry, wait, first one. Fadili, hurry up. Stop running, Fadili. Walk.
This thing we have then give away. Now we have also the track event.
Yes.
100 meters. Then it produces those
Oil, that's the oil,
oil.
cooking.
Yeah.
The oil
Yeah.
was cooking.
Yeah.
It's like you at home making something to eat, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that one. Very dangerous. When it touches your skin,
It burns.
it burns. Yeah. It has a burning effect.
I see the oil.
Yeah.
Be careful.
You know, it catches automatic.
Sasa, lokorosha na partition mbili eh? This korosha na partition mbili. This side there for the head.
Yeah, that's full fresh.
Yes, here we make fruits here. Yes. And here the leg. The first one you can peel here the backbone. We put like this, and then we peel here the head. The first one you can peel the head. Yes.
That's the head.
Yeah, this side the head.
Oh.
And then we check the leg.
Okay. Break them down, right?
Yes,
Break
yes.
them down.
Like this.
Oh, nice.
You know?
Get that.
You just
You
feel
can
it.
peel. The first one you can peel. This is cashew nut, 2 shells. The black shell and the white shell
Oh,
inside.
2 shells also good.
Yes,
Oh, it's
yes.
warm, nice and warm.
Okay.
It's warm, it's kind of warm.
Peel.
Oh, it is.
And it's
Ah, who that?
Niko nini? Kebo moja.